Now, since I don't have any scissors, I will be using just like a ballpoint pen to open this, so yeah, that's something, isn't it? I also won't be showing my address. After all, I do not want to get doxxed. Let's see what we have here. This should be an Attack Shark R1. This is also going on the review just in case. And oh, it doesn't look good already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think they sent me the wrong thing. Because this is not a Attack Shark R1. This is a fucking keyboard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is this, bro? I wanted the fucking Attack Shark R1. What the fuck is this? I'll go check on what this is in, like right now, actually. So I'll be removing the light. It's my phone. But yeah, they sent me the wrong thing. It says here that I bought a Attack Shark R1. And what came was a Attack Shark K75. Attack Shark K75. What is this? Well, they gave me $2,000 worth, which is something. What the fuck is this, bro? I swear to God, I got a fucking Attack Shark R1. What is this, bro? This is funny. That's fucking funny. Is it? I'm gonna check on... Because I'm in the Philippines, so I'm gonna check Shopee Mall. This is not what I ordered. What the fuck? I did not buy this. I swear to God, I didn't buy it. Sorry for the microphone quality. I'm having like a bit of issues with the mic, so I'm not using it. I'm using the microphone on the camera, but yeah, see? This is what I bought. It's like $15, $16. Well, I didn't buy this. They sent me the wrong thing. Anyone who knows Chinese know how to speak this? Hold up. Anyone in the comment section knows how to speak this? Or did I just rip the warranty? So that's a bit sad, but I did not order this. I did not fucking order this. Is this... Well, what switches even are these, dude? What? I'm grateful. I think I won't be returning this shit, but yeah. After further consultation from my family, I have decided to keep this and will not return it. I got double my value, bro. They gave me a $40 keyboard. This was... The mouse I bought was only like $15. That's a... It was like 2K in Philippine freedom dollars. But I bought it only for like 847 Philippine freedom dollars. Let's check what this keyboard is all about. I opened it a while ago, to be honest, just to check what it is. But you guys are gonna get a sneak peek now on what it is, surely. It comes with this protector, kind of good presentation, and then we have the keyboard itself. I'll put that to the side for now. We have a up manual. In the cubbies, a key puller, or whatever you call these. I just call them key pullers. I have a ducky key puller, but I don't have the ducky anymore. And we have a USB-C cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable. And ooh, what's this? Extra switches. These aren't brown switches. What are these, bro? Anyway, that's, for the most part, that's it. What is this? Random piece of cardboard. Onto the keyboard. Oh wait, I should probably unsleeve it before y'all. I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna show y'all. You guys are gonna check this out. Oh, how that camera moved a little bit. Put the box there. And the key puller there. These are the things you'll be getting in box. Along with the keyboard, you get 2 extra switches. Manual, like I said a while ago. Key puller and the USB-A to USB-C cable. Let's check this out. There it is in all its beauty. It's white, but like silver. Silver's the main color here. It's reflecting on my walls. You have, I think this is for volume. ASMR. Anyway, let's try a typing test. These aren't brown switches. Are these gold switches? Dude. So that's the foil on the bottom. Should I keep that there? I think I should keep that there. Attack Shark. Model number K75 RGB. Yeah, simplistic. You have the kind of grommets. I don't even know what to do with these, to be honest. Rubber grommets. Can I just... I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah. 4 rubber grommets all around. I think this swivels up, but it's a bit hard to do, so I won't do that. In a bit, I will show you the gaming test. But for now, let's just try and plug it in. Hold on. I wonder how long this cable is. Well, let's see. It's quite long. Whoa. Oh, that's normal size, to be honest. So from there, reaching around up to there. So how much feet? 4 feet cable? 5 feet cable? I am not sure. I'll be removing. Yeah, don't mind that. Those from my computer. Okay. Now we're gonna plug it in now. Whoa, would you look at that? That looks gnarly, dude. Whoa. What is this for? Oh, okay, so hold up, let me get my keyboard here. Oh wait, what the fuck am I saying? Where's my mouse? Technical difficulties. Okay. Pull the switches out the way. I'll be panning up to my computer in a bit. I'm gonna turn this off, to be honest. This is weird to look at. This is the mouse that was supposed to be replaced, because this is my spare. Kinda, it's my sister's. And this is the one that I like replaced because it stopped working. My glorious Modulo wireless. So you can see when I turn it off, none. And don't worry, I plugged it in, still doesn't work, does nothing. I did the 3 switches reset. I tried to see if there's any water damage. There's none. There might be some faults or whatever with the battery. In that case, I don't really want to do anything. It's not that I'm lazy, it's just that I'm scared of destroying it. I'd rather leave it to a professional to do that. But yeah, I'll pan up now to my computer. Holy. I'll just bring it more forward and pan the screen up. Alright. With my little tape, that's like, just in case I get doxxed or whatever. You can see the rainbow and the reflection. You know what, I'm just gonna put this on top of my mousepad, because my mousepad actually isn't working. I'll turn it off. Just in case, just in case. Wait, do you also have that command for keyboard? I'm not even sure. Anyhow, let's do some searching. It actually sounds quite good. Let's search something. Don't mind the screen if it's a bit dirty. I've been doing some shit, haven't had time to clean it much. Don't. Oh. Not that, not that. Anyway. Yeah, it feels good. I'm not one to review keyboards because honestly and obviously I am shit at typing. But yeah, there it goes. It's a bit of ASMR, to be fair. Don't mind the fly in the audio. I'm gonna swat it later. Let's try to play some games. I'm gonna get another POV for you guys in a minute. Just turn that off. Okay. And switch. Alright, for this one, I'll just be playing Gunfight Arena. Because to be honest, it's the only one I'm good at. It's the only Roblox game I'm kind of good at. Well, I am not used to. Oh! What the I don't know how to. Like what? Yeah, it's weird. I don't know if I should be doing this. I guess not. How do you play with keyboard? This is one of my first mechanical keyboards, and my first keyboard didn't do this. Oh, it was just stuck on the Windows key. Anyway, edit that out or keep it. Can you even see my fingers there? Oh, I died. Let me just lower it a bit. Bring it forward. You guys can still see, right? Yeah, it's stupid. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Am I doing any good? I have no idea, bro. Oh, double kill. Wow, I missed that. Please don't kill me. Anyway, as you can see, the keyboard's doing... Oh, I died. I was trying to focus. Oh. Oh my. There's a new gun. It's quite OP. I don't like this mouse that I'm playing with, by the way. Oh, what? Usually I don't play with this mouse. Don't mind the bee flying. And if you're asking why I'm not afraid of bees, it's because there's nothing to be afraid of when it comes to bees. So that's it. But oh, they're killing us here. Hold up, let me reload. Alright. Up to it. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, I don't know if that's a hacker or not. Like, is that a hacker or... Oh. Wow, I got tapped, bro. I missed my glorious already. But yeah, it's my skill issue, to be fair. Wow, you're good. Or I'm just trash. I haven't visited this game in a while. Wow. I died again. Wow, this team's OP. Or they're being carried. Rather, they're being carried. No, all of them are good. What? Nope, I'm not having this. I'm not having this. I'm dying though, but... As you can see from my gaming test, it's doing quite well. It also sounds good, well, in my opinion. It's very silent. To be honest, I don't even know if these are brown switches. Oh, I'm on the list. I'm on the top top 6. Oh my. That M16. Is the M16 goated now? I'm not sure, sorry, don't mind my mindless talking. Oh, fort! It's lit! Nobody says that anymore in 2025, don't they? Don't mind my mindless ramblings as I play the game. Just trying to make small talk, but hindsight 2020, it doesn't work. Oh, I died. Ran out of ammo. Ran out of ammo, sorry. Oop. Oh, it's easier now to break sentry guns. Died to that guy. We're gonna see him in a bit. Where he at? Where he at? Show yourself! He got me again. Oh, third right now in the rankings. Second. I will not be beating that person who has 109. That's high-key impossible. The girl in fourth though, I was more scared of her a while ago. My mouse is freaking out. If you're wondering what the camera setup is, it's a A6500 with a kit lens. So was that a 45 milliliter? 45 to 50? I have no idea. And my PC I use for editing is a HP Victus 16. It has a RTX 3060, a i5 12500H, and 16 gigabytes of DDR5. I forgot the speed though. I think it's 4800 megahertz. Something crazy like that. I'm still second. I think I'll cut a lot of the bits out though, because this video will be more than 20 minutes. This turned from a mouse review to a keyboard review. Don't ask me, bro. I don't even know. To be honest, I don't even know if I'm gonna send it back. Probably not. I'll probably keep this one. But yeah, I was just looking forward to getting a mouse, not a full-blown keyboard. That was double the price. I actually only paid like the price of the mouse for this. Yeah, my mouse is spazzing out, dude. Is spazzing a bad word? Like, is it a forbidden word? I'm not sure. Well, anyhow. Yeah, I'm gonna start the... Okay. That is it for the gaming test. I did well, as expected. However, this Minnesota mouse didn't. I regret using it. I still wanted the mouse though, bro. I just don't know why I got a keyboard instead of a mouse. I showed you guys earlier in the video as well that I bought a mouse and not a keyboard. But fuck it, we ball. Well, I guess that's it for the video. Well, for the playing section. Now my thoughts on the keyboard. like, it's good. Like, I think these are brown switches. I don't know, they sound like this. I think they have. Actually, I'm not gonna spout knowledge I don't know about. I'm actually not typing anything, this is just ASMR for you guys. In my opinion, it sounds good. Sounds good. And that is it for the video. No complaints really, besides that they didn't send me the product that I researched for. Although you don't need to do much researching, it's more like I made a script around it. But yeah, I guess I'm raw dogging this. That's really it. Like, what else is there to say? Alright. It's a good keyboard. That is it for me. Until next time, where we will review an actual mouse. Not the Attack Shark R1, I'll probably get something else because, well, your boy's having tough times and he can't afford things very often. Doesn't have a job yet. But yeah. The Attack Shark K75. Like or don't, subscribe or don't. I don't really care as long as you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys.